Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Cinema Lightbox with the letters. This one comes with 252 letters as well as symbols and emojis. Alright, so right here we have our Cinema Lightbox. This is the metallic rose gold. They also offered in pink and white. So this says movie night. You've got the features, specifications, the contents, the product safety information. So it has an on and off switch on the side. It uses a USB socket. You have two hanging holes if you want to decide to hang it up. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we do get. Again, this one is the metallic pink. So you can see this is where you'll put your letters. And then in here you do get a thank you for purchasing, and you do get some letters as well as some emojis. So this does have a unique decorative piece of vintage vibes. The cinema box is exactly what you need. The LED lights up and it is designed to look like a retro cinema theater. So right here are the emojis. You do get tons of emojis. And then here is the letters. You get 252 letters, numbers, symbols, and 35 popular emojis. They are A4 LED light up box that has 3 lines. For each line can fit up to 10 marquee letters. So this is the back. This is where you can hang it up. And then you have the battery compartment. So if you don't want to plug it in, it does take batteries. So you've got 6A battery ports. And if you want to plug it in, this is the plug to plug it in, and then you got your on and off switch. So now we are going to take out our letters. So you do get tons of letters. You do get them several letters. And they do come in a pack. You can choose your own decorative space. You can first of all choose a decorative any room in your house. This looks super nice. So it looks like a marquise from a theater. So we're just going to pop these out. So you have all your letters up here, and at the bottom you have your symbols. So I'm just going to pop out enough letters to put on my marquee of Madi's review channel. So right here you can see that I did pop out all the letters that I needed, and I do have a symbol for the S. Now I have it turned on. It first flashes, so these ones can fit up many letters up here. It looks really super nice. I like the fact that you do get emojis. Some of the emojis are like a movie box. You do get where you have a popcorn, theater settings, you get the smiley face. So you do get a lot of emojis to choose from to put on your marquee, as well as tons of letters. If you're looking for a nice cinema box marquee, I would highly recommend checking this one out. Like I said, they do offer it in rose gold, pink, as well as white.